know, get it right.
Hi guys, my name is Anastasia. I'm feeling this hair, like I'm really feeling this hair. It's really soft, like it curled really well. It's really soft. It took the toner very well. I'm really feeling this hair. And so I really wanted 613 hair so bad, and I wasn't sure if I wanted the root or just straight blonde 613. So I went on Instagram because I didn't want to go AliExpress. So I went on Instagram, and you already know, support black business, only over here, black business. I'm just playing, but whatever. But so I bought this hair like around the first week of December because I wanted this hair before my trip to Jamaica, which will be in March. I know I bought it so early, but I wanted to see how I would like it before the trip, to see how, if it goes well with my skin tone and everything, or if I dye it right, because I did not want any mistakes before the trip, because it's about to get lit. Like, I'm about to get lit. And I bought this hair from this company on Instagram, sold by this girl. The company name is WorthAvenue Hair, and it's on Instagram, and it's called WorthAvenue Hair. She sells hair. She also sells wigs. She does a lot, but I just bought the bundles and made the wig myself. And I showed you later on in the video, you will see the products I use on this hair to, like, you know, get it right, because it was, you know, super 613 blonde, white. Y'all know doggone well that ain't finna go with my skin tone. Like, do you not see this chocolate beauty? Yeah, it ain't gonna go right.
In this video, I'm showing you guys how this hair looks before I process it. I then wash the hair with the purple Shimmering light shampoo to tone down the hair a little bit. After letting the hair dry the next day, I mixed the Wella Charm number 27 and number 10 together with at least, I believe, a cup and a half of volume 20 developer. After mixing the products, I began to apply the product to the hair, and you can see in the video I'm trying to basically like massage the product into the hair and apply as much as I can, because I thought that I didn't have enough product for this hair, but at the end it all worked out. You will later on see me brush the product into the hair to make sure that it gets on every strand of this wig, because if you don't, like, everything will not go as flow, as you will see later on in the video how the ending results came out.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I don't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger. You need stronger.
So I decided to do my makeup so I could show you guys the finishing look of this product, and hopefully you guys like this hair as much as I love this hair, and hope you like my video regarding my makeup, because this is the first time I'm ever doing eyeshadow. I never really done eyeshadow or done it on myself or anyone else, so I'm basically trying to practice and learn for myself.
I had to wash it about, I'm not sure if it was my conditioner or if my shampoo, but I felt like I had to wash it like twice because it felt like when you feel like the product is still in the hair, so it makes the hair really stiff, and it just felt so disgusting. I think it was this side. This side was feeling, I don't know what product was left in his hair, like from my shampoo or conditioner. So I had to wash it like twice, like cold water. I felt like I was washing this hair for 30 minutes each time because I felt like the product was not coming out. But at the end of the day, it's really good. It curls right, it flows, and it is bouncing, and it's just giving me it's giving me life, like for real life. It's really good. If you haven't done Blond yet, try it. And it's called WorthAvenue hair. I will tag her Instagram account down below. And she ships very fast. And it's pretty good quality to me. Okay? Do y'all not see this color? Y'all see this color? Y'all see this hair? Y'all see how it's bouncing and flowing? Okay?